Hey, let me show you all the best features on the CMF Watch Pro. And I'm going to show you all of these features, most of these features on the smartphone because the screen is a little just bigger and it will be more visible for you. So first of all, I want to start from the watch faces. When we open all of this gallery, we can find a lot of different watch faces, and in my opinion, it looks really nice. All of these watch faces are really cool and pretty unique. So for example, like this one. It looks amazing, and honestly, this is one of the best watch faces that I have ever seen on any smartwatches. So this is actually really good and strong point of this device. Next, we can for sure even set the custom watch faces by picking something from our gallery or taking the photo with the camera. Next, let's go back, and from this we can actually find extension for the notifications. So on this smartwatch we can receive phone notifications and you can enable them from any application that you want. But also, if you don't want to receive all notifications, you can just disable them by clicking on the switcher. Next, we can find the different health monitors. So in this watch we can actually measure the heart rate, the blood oxygen level, stress level, and also we can track our sleep. But what is really useful that we can get this measurement 24 hours per 7 day. So every time, every hour, every day. And we can even set the high resting heart rate alert, the low resting heart rate alert, and the high activity heart rate alert. And when you click on the settings icon, you can actually start from 100 beat rate per minute to 150 for the heart rate. Of course, I'm talking about the resting heart rate, and the low starts from 50 to 40. Then when we go for the blood oxygen level, we can also turn it on and get this information straight on our watch, and the same for the stress monitoring. So the stress is actually monitoring every 30 minutes. Then we can also set the water reminder and the stand-up reminder, also very useful when you are, for example, sitting a lot. Next, we can go into the more options where we can, for example, find our device. So if you lost your watch, you can click here and you will locate your device. But the same thing we can also find on the watch. So when you click here, you can find your smartphone by scrolling down. You can click here to find your phone, and now your phone is going to make the sound. Now when you find it, you can just click here and it will be finished. Also on this watch, now I'm going to actually open the watch. So on this watch we can find some useful apps, like for example the calculator. Also we can find the voice assistant, so we can actually input some phrases and now this data will be transferred into our phone. And let me show you how it actually works. Hey, tell me some information about the Cristiano Ronaldo. And as you can see now, it is
According to Wikipedia, Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro Gio.
Yeah, so as you can see, it goes straight into our phone. So there's like pretty cool extension. Now we can just turn it off. And from this, we can also find the option to make the phone calls or, for example, receive the phone calls. Also, we can control the music from your phone. So if you play some Spotify or YouTube music, you can change the tracks, play and pause, and you can adjust the volume level. Also in this watch you can find the always on display, so it was visible for a few seconds. And from this we can even measure the sleep data. So the sleep data you can find in the application by clicking here. You can find everything. And this is also the design of the application. It's also the same like on the Nothing phones. So in my opinion, I really like it and I enjoy the Nothing OS. The same with the overall look of this application. And also you can connect this watch into iOS devices like for example iPhone or iPad, and that's basically it. So this is actually the best features of the CMF Watch Pro. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.